What happens to your body when you sunburn? The answer goes far beyond just red skin. Discover the hidden battle raging inside your body every time you get sunburned. When ultraviolet rays hit your skin, they damage the DNA inside your cells. This triggers inflammation, which causes the redness and swelling you see. The pain is from nerve endings being irritated. This damage happens within hours of sun exposure and is your body's first warning sign that something harmful is happening. Once your skin cells are injured, your immune system activates to start repairs. White blood cells rush to the area to clear damaged cells and prevent infection. This immune response adds heat and swelling, making the sunburn feel hot and tender. It's a protective process but also causes discomfort. A few days after sunburn, your skin begins to peel. This is because the damaged cells are dying and your body removes them to make way for fresh, healthy skin underneath. While peeling looks dramatic, it's a natural healing process. However, repeated sunburns increase the risk of long-term skin damage and skin cancer. Sunburn is more than just painful skin redness. It's a complex reaction where your body fights damage and heals itself. Protecting your skin from UV rays prevents this internal battle and long-term harm. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and keep your curiosity burning bright.